Hello, do you want to cash out this dry season as a farmer or as a beginner in farm business or someone who needs a side hustle? Then plant these crops now. Hello, my name is Chidera. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you crops you need to plant in this dry season to cash out. Number one on my list is cucumber. Cucumber is a short duration crop. It doesn't take time to mature. Within the space of 2 months, you have already started harvesting your crops. If you look around, you find out that now is the season of cucumber. People are really making it in cucumber farming, especially those that has the ability to cater for it, those that has irrigation in their farm. They are really making it now. If you look around you, you will find out that there is cucumber in the market and people are really buying cucumber. So if you can be able to get an irrigation in your farm, then you plant cucumber. Surely you'll make it big. That's number one on my list. Then the second one is pepper. Yes, currently now pepper is scarce. You can imagine when you have pepper to sell at this season, you can imagine the kind of money you will make. Just two pepper or 3 or 4, 500 naira is very costly now. It's scarce. Pepper is scarce and costly in the market. So if you have pepper currently now in your farm, maybe those that planted last year November, you will find out that by now they will be making some money. So if you have irrigation, consider going into pepper farming this dry season. You are going to make it big. Okay, pepper is scarce. So far you have the ability to cater for it, you have irrigation in your farm, you are good to go. Pepper is also a short duration crop. Within the space of 2 to 3 months, you have started harvesting your pepper. But before you plant, make sure you check around your market to know the kind of pepper that is of high demand. We have the habanero pepper, the chili pepper, the shombo. Just make your research, find out the type of pepper that the market around you has, so that you won't be planting something else while the market is selling something else. Just go around the market and find out the kind of pepper that is dominant in that area, that is of high demand. That is the kind of pepper you will plant. Okay, that's the number 2 on my list. Another on my list is leafy vegetables. Although many people don't know that both pepper and cucumber are all vegetables, but the area I'm talking about now is leafy vegetables. Your fluted pumpkin, your greens, your water leaf, they are all leafy vegetables. This leafy vegetable for me is the most important in my list, and I also recommend it for beginners. If you want to start small, you can start with leafy vegetables. Currently now, they are of high demand. Leafy vegetables are of high demand in the market currently now. You can imagine I bought a head of water leaf at 500 naira, just one head. Then if I need 4, that means I need to have 2,000 naira to buy just 4 heads of water leaf. So currently now, leafy vegetable is of high demand in the market. Come to think, how many farmers can set up an irrigation system in their farm? Most farmers depend on rain fed. So they wait till when the rain starts before they start cultivating their vegetables. By that time, many people are into it. But currently now, those that has irrigation system in their farm are the one making it big now. So if you want to start. To me, I suggest you start with leafy vegetable. Even if you need a side hustle, you need something by the side like a plan B, you can start with planting of leafy vegetables. The fluted pumpkin, the ugu, the one we know is the most popular one in the market. It's very scarce now, so it's of high demand. It's almost everywhere. It's being cultivated everywhere. So you can just check around, buy your seed. If you have means of watering your farm, then you can do it even at your backyard. You can start up at your backyard. Is it the water leaf? You can start it up at your backyard, somewhere, a space you have. You can use it, plant water leaf. You'll be making it big, because these vegetables currently are of high demand in the market. I wonder how many people cook without vegetable. Almost the food we cook contains vegetables. So currently now in the market, vegetable is of high demand. These leafy vegetables, they are of high demand in the market. So if eventually you plant them, you will be making it. Plant ugu, just get the seed and the right way to plant it. Within the space of 6 weeks, you have harvested your first cut. Once you harvest, you wait a little bit before you harvest another one. So planting these vegetables, they are very easy to plant and to handle and to manage. That is why I recommend it for a beginner or someone who needs a side hustle, a plan B to start up with. After planting your cucumber or your pepper or your leafy vegetable and there is no proper management, you have failed woefully. Farming is not something you can just plant and you go out. You have to plant and monitor it and watch it daily to see how things are being run in the farm. You have to be there for your crops. You have to be there to know what is going on. Proper management is very, very important. You don't just plant and go away. You have to be there. Okay. And also, another advice I'll be giving you is for you to make your research in the market. Make your research and know the kind of vegetable that is dominant in that area where you are. For example, in your area, in your market, make a survey. Go around the market, check, find out the kind of crop that is of high demand in that market. That is the kind of crop you will grow. If it is the pepper you want to plant, check out the kind of pepper that is dominant in the market. Some areas love habanero pepper. If that is the case, then plant habanero pepper. Don't go and plant chili pepper or any other type of pepper. If not, nobody will buy your produce. So they will focus on the one that is of high demand. Then that is the kind of pepper you will plant if truly you want to make it big. So make sure you research your market to know the crop that is of high demand over there before you plant. Crops I have mentioned are of high demand within this dry season. So if you are a farmer and you want to make it big, this is the right time. You can plant any crop you want depending on your market demand. Then plant. Have a proper management. Make sure you have your irrigation system or means of watering your crops. Then you are good to go. So if this is your first time of seeing my face on your screen, do well to tell me on the comment section. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, like and share. Also comment, ask your questions. I'll be replying you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.